Hi kids! Today we are going to draw a super cute heart watermelon flower. Stay till the end because a fun surprise is waiting for you. First, let's draw a cute watermelon pot. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. Now, draw a big heart flower with two little leaves on the top. Watermelons are green and red in color. Watermelons are sweet, juicy fruits that are perfect for hot summer days. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. Color the watermelon bright green, red.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Kids, can you help me make this cute watermelon flower? The cutest flower in the whole world? Amazing! You drew a beautiful heart watermelon flower.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Color the heart flower pink.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
And the leaves green.